Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can save 3D model outside PowerPoint presentation. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here we can see we are in our computer screen. Let me press Windows button here and type PowerPoint. And let's try open this blank document, and you will say that where exactly is 3D model. So let me actually download it from the stock 3D model of Microsoft. And let's say you want this heart model, although you can import it here in Microsoft PowerPoint, but let's say I would like to save it and I would like to keep it outside. So there is no option to export it. You can only save it as a picture, but in reality it is 3D. So how we can save this model as a 3D and can be utilized outside PowerPoint? In order to do that, what we need to do here is we need to click here on save. And then let's save this PowerPoint file in my desktop. Now I'm gonna close this and let me actually enable show desktop icon, and here we have got this PPT. So let me actually copy it because really my desktop is too messy right now. So I'm gonna paste it here. Now what I will do it here is I'm going to make a right click, and you need to rename the file extension. So instead of PPTX, let's make it in zip. And actually, if we talk about so many different file extension, generally it consists of multiple files that make PPT work together. So by converting this file from PPTX to zip, what now we can do is we need to extract. So this way we will be extracting all the components from this PPTX, which also include this 3D data that we have added. Now let's open this extracted folder, and here if I go to PPT and media, there we go guys. Here I can see this model 3d1.glb. So GLB I would say is very popular format if we talk about web. Also you can open probably inside Microsoft 3D viewer, as you can see here, and so on. So let's try open the same model online. For that, let's open here 3dviewer.net, and I'm gonna open this model. Okay, so let me just copy and paste it here, and there we go guys. We can use this 3D model in any software. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Office Visor to follow more such office productivity tips and tricks. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.